Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone, confirm the SIM and number can receive SMS, and make a full chat backup to the cloud. Once done, update Viber to the latest version so menus match these instructions. Now open Viber and go straight to Settings, then Account. You do this to ensure your data is safe and the app lets you deactivate cleanly. This prevents losing verification access when you change or reset the account. You will now deactivate the account inside the app. Once an account, choose Deactivate Account and follow the prompts. You'll confirm with your phone number and possibly an SMS code. Make sure to unlink any linked devices first so sessions aren't left active. After confirmation, wait for the deactivation notice and then uninstall the app if you want a full reset. You do this to clear server-side associations and allow a fresh registration later. Once deactivated, reinstall Viber and register using the same or a new phone number. You'll receive an SMS code to verify, enter it promptly. If you made a backup, choose Restore during setup to recover chats. After registration, adjust privacy and two-step verification settings and relink devices as needed. If messages or verification fail, make sure your carrier allows short codes and your SIM is active.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.